Welcome to Kenya Village Life. I'm here in deep in the villages. Hope you are okay watching me from where you are watching me from. So today I'm going to show you something interesting. I'm going to show you how to cook chicken on African jiko. So we continue. So this is how you cook chicken on an African jiko. It is made of 3 stones, as you can see. We have firewood here. Yes. So this is how the jiko looks like. The kitchen. You put your firewood on top there. Made of this the kitchen. There it is. This is the door here. Here is the door. The doors. Then you move in. People used to keep, back in the day, people used to keep their things. They still used it. You can keep here your ingredients and all that. Remember, my grandmother used to keep here a lot of, should keep some plants, should keep onions. Yes?
What's for cooking?
Yeah, should keep here her pot for cooking. Yeah, I'm being corrected. This used to hold look there it is, hung from the roof. And then it goes, you'll keep here a pot where it is used to cook things like githeri, vegetables, mboga, it's called traditional vegetables, greens, fish. Okay. Then you add the window here. So this is how the traditional kitchen used like. So let me go back to our jiko. Yes. I don't want to show our chef. He doesn't want to be on camera. So we're just going to show you how to cook chicken on an African jiko. You see the 3 stones there. Then the firewood. So let me give you time to watch as we cook. This is the African jiko. 3 stones, firewood here. This is the other jiko, modern one, but people still use this is the modern one, but people still use this old one. Yes. Yeah, yes. I'm being told the 3 stones jiko cooks quickly, uses the firewood that's readily available in this area. I mean within half an hour the chicken is ready. So let me give you time to watch as our chef cooks the chicken on the 3 stones jiko, the African jiko. So it is cooking chicken on an African jiko, the 3 stones, you can see. Wonderful. Kenya Village Life. So this is the village life here. This is the 18. So let me show you as they cook. Let me show you the rest of the kitchen. You can see these are the seats my grandmother used to sit on. And then you have the water. Here water, people get them, you see. It's now even, they are putting even electricity. Yes. It's a semi-permanent house made out of, this is clay, then iron sheets. Yes. So you see. So this is the stove for the kitchen. You see I call it the village BMW. Everyone has this village BMW, the bicycle, you can see. So this is a stove that people use to keep things. You can see this is kept here. Yeah, you see. bottles there. So this is the made out of iron sheets and then clay, semi-permanent. So this is a mixture of clay, cow dung. It makes it strong. Yes. So let me go back. So someone may be asking themselves why you have this. Why you have this? See here, they keep things. I thought I saw something like yes. So that's the way. That's the store. Yeah, you have the sweet potatoes. This is a sweet potato from the ground, very sweet. You boil it on the African jiko and you have very good, delicious. It's better than Irish potato. This is a sweet potato. You have it with black tea in the morning, good for breakfast. It's grown organically, no chemicals. African villages, people live very healthy. You can see. You can see this one. Yes. Yes. So you see. This is sweet potatoes. You can see. To go back to the chicken now is getting is getting cooked very well. Yes. See, it's cooking very well. It's cooking very well. So how long will it take to cook? Itachukua wakati ngapi kupika? Masaa mangapi kukua? It will be ready 1 hour and a half. The chicken will be ready. Yes. Make a chumvi. So she's saying she has put salt there. So make a chumvi na nini? So she's saying she has put salt, tomatoes na onions. Ndio hivyo. Nyanya, kitunguu na chumvi. It will take 1.5 hours, you see. This is the smoke. Look at the way it's going. Up and away through the roof. And we see more firewood here. So this is African jiko being cooked very well. Very well. Yes. This is an African jiko. So do you cook with such jikos in your areas? Please explain to us. So she's putting in water. So here in Africa we recycle. Ebuyo container nione. Yeah, you see we recycle containers. And so we recycle instead of throwing away the cooking oil, we are using it. So we are going to let the meat to get ready. Then it will be ready for eating with ugali and all that. So it's boiling. Yeah, so this is the African jiko. This is the African jiko. More firewood here. I showed you. This is firewood. More there. So this is So this is the Kenya village life. Hope you have enjoyed the video and you keep on supporting our channel. Mobile M-Pesa plus 254 769 729 327. Mobile M-Pesa plus 254 769 729 327. And as I always say, Gwaheri ya kuonana, Gwaheri.